Hello, everybody. I would like to give you a brief summary of our efforts to make an ontology-aware data mapping tool in the context of this hackathon. We had a team of both domain scientists, computer scientists, ontology experts in order to address this issue. Our challenge was that researchers and engineers at very different institutions want to annotate heterogeneous data for semantic search. The best way to do this is with an ontology, but these people basically have no background on ontologies or Spark queries. But integrating the data across multiple sites requires consistent ontology mappings. So the question is, how can we approach this? An ontology is basically a very complex abstract model to conceptualize data, and it can be applied for many, many domains. However, the coverage of the ontologies that we have at the present is still not sufficiently high. So the idea of the workflow was the following. We start with an existing ontology, the PMD core ontology, and we map it to a network X graph. And then we compare two approaches. The first one just enriches the nodes by the labels, the existing definitions, and the alt labels. And the second approach enriches the data or the node information not only by the local, but by some more distributed information from the environment. We then export this class context and compute embeddings for the entire ontology. We then use a set of keywords to test how well this approach works, and we can see that depending on which approach we use, a simple cosine similarity score of the generated embeddings allows us to identify relatively high hits in the ontology. Thank you for your information.